video, I will be showing you how to make a table on Google Spreadsheets or Google Sheets. It's really important that you know how to do this for the project and for later on in your other classes. So all of these boxes are called cells. You have rows that are labeled with letters, and you have rows that are labeled with numbers. You have many options for fonts, for colors, etc., but I'm just going to show you the basics. So here my data is a little bit different than yours. So I'm going to click on any of the boxes here. My data is about peaches and the cost of peaches. So I have 0 peaches. I have 4 peaches. Oops. 4 peaches, and I have 10 peaches. And so I have 3 different supermarkets. I have Super Maxi, I have Tia, and I have Santa Maria. So I have the information about the cost for each one of the peaches at each one of these supermarkets. So at each supermarket, obviously 0 peaches costs $0. At Super Maxi for 4 peaches, it's $3.56. At Tia, it's 92 cents. And at Santa Maria, it is $2.60. As you can see, I typed in $2.60 with a 0. When you push enter, when you go to the next cell, the spreadsheet will automatically take away that 0. And that's not a big deal because it means the same thing. So at 10 peaches, it's $8.90. Again, when I push enter, it takes away the 0. $2.30, and then Santa Maria was $6.50. All right, so now that I have all my data, you can go ahead and add in any of your customizations. If you want to do any fonts, things like that, it works pretty much the same way as a Google document. So you have all of the fonts up here. You have fonts, you have the sizes, you have bold, italic. You can change the text color. You can also, for instance, sometimes when I do headers or when I do information at the top of a spreadsheet, I like to put maybe a little bit of gray so that that is signifying that that's just sort of a header and not the information or the data. You can also maybe make it bold, maybe change the font, something obviously you want to make sure that it's readable and not something that your viewers are not going to be able to read. So maybe something like that. So here, yeah, we have a table. You can also make the columns larger or smaller, depending on what you want. You can also do that with the rows, larger or smaller, depending on what you are looking for, the style or the look you are looking for. So that's pretty much it when you're making a Google spreadsheet with tables. The next videos will show you a little bit more details about some of the other items you can do with a Google spreadsheet.